Okay, I am going to introduce the final exam week to you, July 21st through the 23rd. Our final is going to be on the 23rd, but if you would like help with it, you might want to do it a day early. I'm just going to be busy during the day, so if you're texting me during the day or trying to email me during the day, I may not respond until closer to dinner time. So if that stresses you out, then I would suggest working on it maybe over the weekend or 1 or 2 days early. It's going to cover chapters 1 through 4 for you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. This is what it looks like. Whoops. You have 4 hours to complete it, and the time starts counting down from the time you open it. It should not take you 4 hours. I just like to put extra time on there to account for everyone's needs. So when you open it, it'll start that attempt. It's pretty easy. It's not going to be as difficult as probably your other test. It's just a little bit time consuming. So a lot of it is going to be reading comprehension. So you're going to read passages like in number 1, and then you're going to answer the questions below. This one's true false. You'll write cierto or falso in the blank depending upon what you've read in the passage, if the statement below is true or false based upon what you've read in the passage. The next one is like that. The next one's like that. I mean, there's a whole bunch that are like that, so I'm just going to kind of scroll through them. Here's one that's a little bit different. You're going to still read a passage, but then here it tells you to, based on the information given, choose the phrase that best completes each of the following statements. So they start a statement and then they give you some choices. You'll just write the letter of the phrase that would best complete the started phrase for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to 8. The next is true, false. Then we get to your writing piece. Okay, so you already have written this, and it should have been critiqued at this point by me. So remember, you are okay. So you are writing a description of your university, like how would you describe your university and college experience to prospective Spanish speaking student? Okay, so you should have already written this. At this point, I should have already critiqued it. So all you're going to do is go back into that workshop that we've been working on. You're going to look at the critiques that I've made, make those changes, and then copy and paste that in here. Okay. Then next you have both of these. Actually, I'm going to take this one out. This one right here, number 10, ignore it. Even though you're seeing it on here, I'm going to take it out. You're going to watch a video. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to a video. So if you click on it, it'll take you outside. And you're going to watch this video. Again, you can put the closed captions on if you want them. You'll hear the people speaking and you'll see the closed captions at the bottom. Then you'll go back. Whoops. Back into your test, and you're going to, these are the different people who are speaking throughout the video. These are statements that they're making. You're just going to pick the words from this word bank that best complete what they're saying. And then lastly, this still goes with the video, but it's not explicit. It's just basically after having listened to the video, you should be able to decide what these words they've used throughout the video, mean in English. And that's everything that you have to do for your final exam.